Thank you. And now to the latest COVID-19 numbers right here in Georgia. The state reporting more than 1,100 new cases yesterday. That's about half the number of new cases reported on Saturday. The Department of Health says Saturday's jump in cases was due to improvements in electronic reporting. The state reporting 3 new deaths yesterday, but we will regularly notice the number of new cases and deaths tends to be lower than average on Sundays. Chesley, over to you.